Bonjour, je m'appelle Daryl Tumbo. Jai Bansis A. Mamos dinasans is John Biersis, Melnef Katrabandiswit, Jedor Mangi Liligom, Jabiti A. Bypass Gulayan, Dipolog City. So, thing I like or I want to discover about France. So, I want to discover the beautiful architecture of Paris. I, I like the iconic Eiffel Tower. I'm interested. I'm interested in learning more about the rich history and culture of France. I would like I would love to try the exquisite French cuisine, such as delicious pastries and fine wines. I'm curious to see the unique design and style of building in French cities. I want to discover the interesting costume and lifestyle of the French people. So next, here are my here my here are my thoughts and learning about French culture from the movie Ratatouille. The movie highlights the deep reverence and passion that the French have for the culinary arts. It showcases the importance of fine dining, gourmet cuisine, and the artistry involved in creating exceptional dishes. The movie portrays the French as having a profound respect and appreciation for the craft of cooking. So, the movie explored the significance of French culinary tradition and the resistance to change. It depicts the French as being deeply rooted in their culinary heritage, with established restaurant and chef guarding their reputation and methods jealously. The movie highlights the French reverence for time-honored recipes and techniques.